What comes to mind when you hear superfood, blueberries, acai berries, or kale? Superfoods are nutritional powerhouses rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, but are they truly super or just clever marketing? The term superfood is a marketing term, not a scientific classification. While nutritious, their benefits are often exaggerated. A balanced diet is more important than focusing on superfoods. Let's take a closer look at a few popular superfoods and examine the evidence behind their claims. Blueberries are known for their antioxidants believed to protect against cell damage. Studies show a correlation with improved cognitive function and heart health. Kale is rich in vitamins and has potential cancer-fighting properties. However, more research is needed to confirm these benefits in humans. Are superfoods the real deal or just a myth? The truth lies somewhere in between. Prioritize a varied diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. No single food holds the key to optimal health.